Welcome to the very first episode, the grand opening, if you will, of This and That Garage. What we're going to work on today is a 1931 John Deere GP, which stands for General Purpose, and it's having trouble with the carburetor, so we're going to tear it apart and see what we've got going on with it. What the issue is right here. This is where the fuel comes in, and the needle seat is right here. Needle is right here. They have brazed that in, and well, I mean, that's not going to work. I can't change the seat, I can't change the needle, so what we're going to have to do is grind all that brazing away and see what we can do with it. So let's get started. I've already had this tractor running a couple days ago, but like I said, this seat and needle ain't right, and gas just poured through the intake on the ground, but it did run. As you can see, it's been brazed all the way around. Don't know why, but that ain't going to work. So I'm going to take a die grinder and grind all that crap away and see what we can do with it. And there we have it. You can see, yeah, that's wore really bad. I may try to clean that up with some emery cloth. I don't know what the seat looks like yet. We'll try to clean it up too. Alright, this is what we're going to do. This end is 1/2 inch 24, and let me show you how you can figure that out. Get a thread pitch gauge and just go through until you find whichever fits the thread. As you can see, well, I don't know if you can see or not, but that says 24. That means 24 TPI, or threads per inch. That is not a standard size. It's normally 1/2 inch 20 will be fine thread. I don't have a 1/2 inch 24 tap, so I'll have to order one on Amazon. So we'll have to wait on that. Then what I'm going to do here, I'm going to make a bushing, basically threaded bushing out of aluminum. This is, like I said, 1/2 inch. So I'm going to bore this out to 9/16 because I can't go a whole lot more. I don't have a lot of room. We're going to go to 9/16 18, and I'll have to turn this down and thread it to 9/16 18, and then bore the center out to 1/2 inch 24, and that'll thread right in. And I believe that should work. ready to go on. Alright, carburetor back on. I don't see any leaks anywhere. So I think we may have got it this time. I'm gonna put some water in it, or see if it'll hold water, and then we'll see if she'll start. Hey, Miss Daisy. This is the neighbor's dog. She comes by 3-4 times a day looking for scraps laying in the yard. She's a pretty good old dog. Well, we've got one small leak right up in there on that water neck. I'm not going to worry about it. This ain't even my tractor. All I want to do is run it for a little bit, and then they can fix that. I just wanted to show y'all something here. See these big nails they've got drove down in that. That goes along with the carburetor, I guess. I guess back then you just had to do whatever you had to do to keep the tractor running. But I thought that was kind of funny right there. Well, I guess we're ready to crank on. Let's see if she starts. is. We got a 1931 John Deere GP running again. I like to see this old iron running. I hate to see it sitting out in the field rotting away. It sounds good, she runs good, smokes a little bit, but I'd smoke it if I was that old. Anyway, I appreciate y'all tuning in to the first episode of hopefully many. If there's something you would like to see me work on or build or whatever, then drop it in the comment section and we'll see what we can do. Again, appreciate you tuning in, and until the next video, go do something.